In Creo Parametric 8.0, Creo Simulation Live added the capability to do a steady state analysis for computational fluid dynamics. That was a mouthful. Let me show you what I mean by that. Here I have an engine assembly open on the computer screen. You can see that there is an enclosure volume in the graphics area and the model tree. I already have a fluid dynamics analysis set up. Let's go to the Live Simulation tab. And here you can see in the simulation studies in the simulation tree, I do have a fluid analysis, and transient is in parentheses. In other words, it is going to perform this as a function of time. I've got my fluid defined, it is air. I've got some boundary conditions, slip symmetry for the side surfaces, an outlet pressure and a flow velocity, and an initial temperature for the thermal conditions. So again, it is using transient by default. If you want to see the results of the analysis, you can click on the simulate icon either in the ribbon or the quick access toolbar. To make things easier to see, I'm going to hide the enclosure volume before I do that. Now let's click on the icon to run the simulation. You can see it's doing some thinking. And let's go to our fluid objects menu, and that way I can select this. Let's rotate this. I just want to see it. Let's do 270 degrees. I want to see it sideways. There we go, right on there. That's what I want. And so if you take a look in the legend, you can see that the results are changing as a function of time. You can see how the velocity is changing. You have a drop-down list if you want to see the vortices instead, and you can see how they are moving inside of there. Let's go back to the velocity. So again, right now, this is being run as transient. You can see that the results are changing as a function of time. I'm going to stop the analysis for a second. Now, if I go to the study drop-down menu, there is an additional option here in Creo Parametric 8.0 for transient mode, and it is checked by default. You are going to do a transient analysis by default. If you want to do a steady state, you uncheck this option. And now let's restart the analysis. This time I will use the icon in the ribbon, and let's let it run for a few seconds. And we can see that pretty quickly the results are updating, and this is going to end up giving us the steady state results when this finishes computing. And there you can see the answer for the velocity. And of course, you can change the drop-down list to something else like vortices. And there we can see the steady state result for that. Hey, let's go back to velocity. And of course, you can use all the other different kinds of results display options like streamlines and particles, and also use simulation probes in conjunction with this. So that's how you do a steady state fluid dynamics analysis in Creo Parametric 8.0. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindshield.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.